If you look at this question, how to solve this problem? Log A base B. Go by this concept, you will get the answer. Okay, log A divided by log B. This we have discussed in synopsis. This is the formula to be used. So I can write log 20 divided by log 2, correct? Into log 80 divided by log 2, correct? Log 2 minus of log 5 divided by log 2, correct? Into log 5 into log of 5 into log 5 into log 320 divided by log 2, right? Log 2. So if you can clearly see here, question is log 5, right? Question is log 5 base 2, log 5 base 2. The question given here is a log 5 base 2. This part is not there, all right? This part is not there in the question. So we'll see how to tackle this question now. This is nothing but a log m into log n. So I can take out log 2, the whole square out in the denominator. In the denominator, 1 divided by log 2, the whole square can be taken out common. So we are left with log 20 into log 80 minus log 5 into log of 320. Log of 320. So we can write this as a log 20 can be written as log 10 into 2, which can be written as log 10 plus log 2. Log 10 plus log 2. Log 80 can be written as a log 80 can be written as a 10 into 2 into 2. 10 into 2 into 4. So I can write this as a, we can write this part can be written as, wait, I'll write like this. Log 2 base 2 will write like this. Log 20 into log of 80 can be written as log of 20 into 4. We'll write like this. We'll go by this concept. Minus of log 5 into log 320 can be written as log of log 5 I'll write like this. Okay, log 5 I'll write log 10 by 2. These parts don't want. We'll go by this approach. Log 5 can be written as log 10 by 2 into log of 32 into 10. Okay, 32 into 10. So if you can see this part, log 10 by 2. So 1 divided by log 2 the whole square times. Now again this log 20 can be broken as what? Log 20 can be broken as 10 into 2. This 20 can be broken as 10 into 2, right? 10 into 2. So we can write this as a log 10 plus log 2, log 10 plus log 2 into log 10. 4 can be written as 2 square into 2 cube. So log 10 plus log of 2 cube minus of log 10 minus log 2, log 10 minus log 2 into log 10 plus log of 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5, right? Log 10 is 1. This can be written as 1 divided by log 2 to the base, the whole square, log 2 whole square. Log 10 is 1. 1 plus log 2 into 1 plus 3 log 2 minus of 1 minus log 2 into 1 plus 5 log 2, correct? 1 plus 5 log 2. So your answer will be like this: 1 divided by log 2 the whole square into 1 plus 3 log 2 plus log 2 plus 3 log 2 the whole square, 3 log 2 the whole square minus of 1 plus 5 log 2 minus log 2 minus log 2 minus of 5 log 2 the whole square. Log 2 the whole square, correct? Log 2 the whole square. So what is this answer that we get? What is this answer that we get? 1 divided by log 2 the whole square times 1 plus 4 log 2 plus 3 times log 2 the whole square minus 1 minus of 4 log 2 plus 5 times log 2 the whole square. So if you can see plus 1 minus 1 plus 4 log 2 minus 4 log 2 will get cancelled. So your answer to the question will be 8 log 2 the whole square divided by log 2 the whole square. Your answer will be equal to 8. This is the answer to the question.